The Razr 40 Ultra appeared on a Saudi Arabian retailer site that is called extra.com. The device was listed there for about 3,999 Saudi Riyal. If we were to convert that to USD, it's going to be about $1,000. And also some of the top features and specs of the Razr 40 Ultra were leaked. And of course, I'll share the specs with you guys in this video. So the foldable phone will be offered in 3 colors, including Viva Magenta, Glacier Blue, and Black. According to the website, the main display of the phone is 6.9-inch POLED display that has a center-aligned punch hole cutout, and the resolution is Full HD+. The device also have a 3.5-inch rear display that stretches towards the 2 camera sensors and LED flash unit. The device is said to have a side-mounted fingerprint scanner that is embedded in the power button and a USB Type-C port. Other specs of the device that was revealed includes the processor, which according to the site is the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. The device will also pack 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB internal storage, but you're basically stuck with the built-in internal storage. Moving on, the device is backed by a 3800 mAh battery, and the phone is also said to support wireless charging. It is also going to ship with the latest Android 13. As mentioned earlier, the foldable features a dual rear camera setup, including a 32MP main sensor and an 8MP lens, perhaps an ultra-wide lens. The device is also speculated to feature a 12MP or 13MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. Now, other specs of the device, including the refresh rate, the wireless charging speed, and of course if the device ships with a charger or not, are unknown for now. But I believe we'll get to know that in a few weeks' time. So these are some of the top features of the upcoming Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. Now, I do not recommend that you take these specs seriously. They may not be entirely correct, so make sure to take them with a pinch of salt. If you want to share any thoughts about this phone, then feel free to use the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.